Yàtọ̀ sí òkè ìpẹ̀tàlé àti tòkò léyìí tí àwọn early dwellers Agbonle gbé tí wọ́n sì máa ń farapamọ́ sí tógun bá dé. I'm putting aside the fact that Agbonle to control over 140 communities in the 14th century, being an ancient Yoruba community. Kuro, which is why I assume that Agbonle is one of the pre-empire we have before the actual Oyo Empire. The ancient, indigenous, and less adultrated former Yoruba city, located in Shaki local government area of Oyo State, ní oríṣiríṣi different tourist attractions àbí historical beauties tí gbogbo wọn sì kún fún ìtàn tó sọ nípa àwọn akíkanjú wọn. Lónìí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìṣe wa, we will continue by exploring Winwin, Banro àti Kangagbara ní ìlú Agbonle, Agbonle Arolu, Shaki East local government. So kindly stay with us and let's do this together. Gbogbo wa ni olùwákiri. So ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ.